How to download Veed.io video without watermark. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's learn if we can or if we are able to download Veed.io videos without watermark or not. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So from the help desk of v.io, we have gathered certain information. So all projects exported while you weren't logged into an account or used a free account will have a v.io watermark. The only way to export a project without watermark is to have a paid subscription. The Lite, Pro, and Enterprise plans allow you to export projects without a watermark. You won't be able to edit or move the watermark, which will always be on the top right side of the video, and this is how it appears on your video. So watermarks will be put on embedded video if you have a free subscription, and you can only embed it a video without our watermark if you have a pro or enterprise subscription. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.